Hi, we're Jay and Aiden. So this is our app as an interactive visualization that help a user to identify patterns between the spring locations and some variables. And our first key component here is the PCP, which is shown in the upper. And we made it exploratory, so you have movable variables here, so that you can move these variables and see and find different relationship between them. And also so the PC also has a filter function, which is you can filter the variables one or more, and in return you filter also we filter the spatial data points on the map for you. And in addition, you can show there how many points are selected here in the lower left of the main map. And our second key component here is the main map. So and the spatial data points are also linked back to the PCP. So you can when you hover the data points, it will return you the point line on the PCP. And it also there are different layers you can choose to show on the map. Like we can change it to hydrological group, and also you can change the base map here. Yes, and our third component is the matrix. So the matrix is pretty good on showing some correlation between two variables, and we choose the geologic layer here with the hydrological group. And you can see that there will be 54 points when the geologic layer is Oglala and the hydro group is A here.
Oops, we can edit this part out. Okay, so let's say I'm a landowner looking for springs on my land. The first thing I can do is switch to the terrain and turn off this canvas background panel to see through it and look for, okay, I know my land is right in this section. So the second thing I can do is see, well, this is the Ogallala group, and this here is the Pierre Shale. Just looking at these, there are many more springs in the Ogallala group than in the Pierre Shale. So I'd probably expect to find a spring more on this part of my land. Secondly, we can go to the hydrologic groups, which is a feature of soil, and see which soil is most likely to hold it. And seeing as this is soil type A and D, while this is B, I'd much more expect springs to appear in A and D, the blue and green regions, than I would B, which only has a total of 5 springs on the whole map. Okay,